Today on the food plane, I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. In this bowl, I have 1 1/4 cups of flour. I just added a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 1/2 and 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda. You want to mix that all together. Set that bowl to the side, and in another bowl, you'll have your stick of softened, unsalted butter. You're going to put a cup of brown sugar and a half of cup of peanut butter. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Then you're gonna stir that up, make it nice and creamy, and then you're gonna add your egg, and then you're gonna mix that some more until you get this nice fluffy consistency. Oh yeah. Then you're gonna add to that your flour mixture. You're gonna then add your cup of chocolate chips. In this case, I'm using dark chocolate. You can use semi-sweet. You're gonna mix that until you get a nice formed dough. Now you can make these any size you want. I'm doing 1/4 cup. You roll it out and you kind of flatten it with your hand a little bit till you form somewhat of a patty. Put that, I greased the pan by the way with coconut oil. You can do it with a little bit of butter, that's fine. Put that sucker in the oven at 350 for about 9 minutes. Afterwards, you'll have these beautiful peanut butter chocolate chip yumminess cookies. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share.